Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok not eligible. If you have encountered such as an error and got blocked from creating your TikTok account, there may be a reason for it to happen. Any one of this may be the culprit. So the first thing, you have to be at the right age. If your current age is under the required age, you must wait for several years before you can join TikTok without restrictions. Then, you need to clear your TikTok app cache on your phone. But guys, before you continue this video to know the ways, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel. And don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, on your TikTok apps, you have to go to your profile and then tap the hamburger button at the upper right in the corner and scroll it down a bit more until you find clear cache. Then tap on it and it's done. And to solve the error in your iOS device, follow the same solution, and then here is how to clear app cache for TikTok on your iPhone or iPad device. Open your setting apps on your phone and then tap your profile here. After that, choose iCloud. In the iCloud page, look for manage storage and click to open it. But because mine has been deleted by the application, so here's nothing. But for example, let's choose shortcuts here. Let's say this is TikTok, okay? And then tap on delete data option and it's done. So guys, just it from me. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will helpful. I'm waiting for your response in the comment box below, and I'll see you soon in the next one. And last, good luck!